Mission Masterful, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use permissions. Now this works for permissions plus, permissions X, Group Manager, any kind of permissions, anything that's basically a permissions plugin. Yeah. First you're going to go to your server file, and then go to your plugins, and then go to your permissions folder, which I'm using Group Manager. Group Manager is the preferred permissions by me. I prefer it. It is very helpful. First of all, you're going to need to go to your groups, because groups is the most helpful. Users is only going to tell you who has been on your server and what rank they are. Unless you're using other permissions, or like if you're using permissions packs, you'll have your little your ranks down, your people down here. So these are my ranks. Now, this is my builder rank, and these are the permissions they have, so they can use /help, /rules, /balance, they can use like the signs have like buy and stuff. They can use those. They can warp, they can list. I need to just go down. Let me just teach you something. This is the main thing people forget. When you create a permission, you press space, and you guys go like this. Go like essentials.tpa. Now, see how it's red? You're not supposed to do that. So what you do is when you do it, you go all the way to the side like that, and then go in like that. And you go essentials.tpa. Okay, so now they can use the TPA. Okay, sorry. So they can now use TPA. Now, let's just get down to making a rank for some people. So you guys use different ones. First of all, you just want to go down to create the rank. That's require going over, create co-owner, colon, down. Now, it does not matter as long as it is lined up with this line right here. Notepad++ is the preferred permissions file holder thing. It is very helpful when it tells you if you're making a mistake. Basically, it's like red, like you saw earlier. So yeah. Once you create that, you're gonna go down and you're gonna line it up with default, like you have right here. This is lined up. That's default. Default is gonna be the rank that you come in. If you come in as a rank, like the rank if you first join a server, default is the rank that you'll have when you first join the server. So if you want them to first come and be like an admin, then you make it so they're an admin. Change the default to, change the default to true. Okay, but I don't want that. I want false. Now, let's go down and info. Info is, I'm not exactly sure what info is, but I know it's not helpful because I have tons of ranks without info, and it's perfectly fine. I will experiment with that and tell you guys later. You're going to go down to prefix. Prefix is this thing before your name. Okay? Colon. Now, this is important. You put the little like that. Now, this is a color code. The and sign and the 4. That is a color code. Now, you can go Minecraft color code. You Google Minecraft color codes, and you'll get a list of color codes. The and sign and the 4 is red. Okay, so let's just say I want them to be red. Now let's make them blue or green, because the and 2 is green. Now you're gonna put the little bracket, and then inside the bracket you're gonna put whatever you want to be before their name. So it's co-owner, or I can change it to owner. So they'll come on and that'll be before their name. No, but I want it to be co-owner. Okay. Now let's go to suffix. Suffix is going to be what's after the name. So what color they're going to be typing in. Are they going to type in blue, pink, red? My admins are typing in red. I am typing in purple. Okay. So suffix, let's just and 5 as well. Okay. If you want them to be typing the normal color, just keep it as nothing. Okay. So then we're going to go down to build. Now, build is very crucial. If you want them to be able to place blocks and stuff, you got to be able to let them build. You're going to go true. Now let's go to permissions, which is also very crucial. Line it up. Okay, permissions. Now, this star thing, sorry, I gotta get this lined up. Okay. This means they can do anything. Alright, so this is just the rank I created. Now the owner can do anything. Now see, I am the owner here, and I can do anything I can, except for the basic op commands as in stop, reload, save all, that kind of crap. If you want them to be able to do that, you just have to opt them. But if that's stuff. But if you want them to just be able to do anything, what that keep it does this. Now, if you want them to be able to only spawn stuff and do nothing, and build but nothing else, the permission is essentials dot star, because essentials is the provider, or if you're using admin cmd, it's admin cmd dot star, I believe. But yeah, that's basically it. It's very, very simple. If I was to save this and reload my server here, let me put it down where you guys can see it. Let me. Not very many people on right now. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I'm not gonna reload it for these guys. It's not worth it. But you guys can obviously tell this is a rank. Now for group manager, sorry, I prefer it because, well, what the heck? What is this error? Group manager file found. I have to mess with that. So for group manager, it's mang add and then the rank. So co owner. Now when you add this rank, that's what this part right here is gonna be. Okay. Now they're gonna have all this stuff right here, and you're gonna have to edit that. Okay. Like I did here. But I don't want to add a rank because I don't need a co-owner. Okay. So that's basically it. It's very simple, and inheritance is just gonna be. Let me find an inheritance rank for you guys. Super builder, I know for sure. So super builder, what they can do is it really saves you time. It honestly does. Let's see what I did down here for trusted. So you see how they can do default. Sorry. Inheritance. It means that they can do anything that their inheriting rank can do. So if architect is doing all this crap, their inheritance is from super builder. So anything that a super builder can do, trusted can do. And then you can go permissions, which you can add to that. So if they want to have that, and on top of all that, you put, so trusted can do all this stuff right here, and then God mode. Now I believe this works. I am not positive. Uh, I believe that is a permission. Instead, it originally is item, I think. I'll have to check in that one. But that, if I put like diamond, they can only spawn diamond. So I'll have to look into that one for you guys. I think that works. I don't know the permission by heart. But everything here they can do is call permission nodes, and yeah, permissions is basically pretty easy once you get to it. And I haven't seen a lot of permission videos out there that can really explain how you're supposed to use this and stuff. So I just kind of want to make this for you guys since I had quite a bit of trouble learning how to use permissions, and I found Group Manager and figured out it was really easy, and then worked from there. So if you guys, this video didn't really help you, I suggest starting out with Group Manager and promoting from there, and then, yeah, Group Manager is a really good place to start for those inexperienced people. So yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys liked the video. And if you guys cannot get your permissions working, I will send you my notes, so go ahead and leave a comment or something like that. Thank you. Goodbye.